BU, we're more than just a university. We're a place where education meets purpose. Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Niebres III is the new president of Bicol University. His vision is to make Bicol University a university for humanity where students grow in knowledge, leadership, and service, building a better future for all. Bicol University stands strong on four key pillars: scholarship, leadership, character, and service. These are the values that guide us every day. And it's not all about studying. BU is full of energy. We celebrate with events like BU Week, where you can enjoy the Hataw Dance Festival and to the competitive spirit of BU Olympics. Plus, we celebrate student talents at BU Encanta, where creativity shines. Come, join us at Bicol University, where you learn, grow, and become the leader you were meant to be.
BSBA or Bicol University College of Business Economics and Management, which is a main campus of Bicol University located at Daraga, Albay. They provide the highest quality of education, which is responsible for our regional and national development.
BSBA also establishes the highest degree of efficiency, effectiveness, collegiality in making decisions, and transparency in the administrative system. What is CBEM Week? CBEM Week is a celebration of Bicol University College of Business Economics and Management, where its students, faculty, and staff showcase achievements, foster community, and motivate them to achieve their goals and contribute to the success of CBEM. On CBEM Week, they also welcome and congratulate the first year on passing and being able to pursue the program that they want. Offered courses or programs: BS in Economics, BS in Accountancy, BS in Entrepreneurship, BSBA major in Management, BSBA major in Financial Management, BSBA major in Human Resource, BSBA major in Operations Management, BSBA major in Marketing Management.
BSBA major in Microfinance is a program that equips graduates with the knowledge and skills necessary to effectively manage microfinance institutions, contributing to financial inclusion and poverty alleviation.
My experience as a microfinance student has been both challenging and fulfilling, especially because of the bond I built with my classmates. We discovered and experienced many things together, such as joining events, meeting seniors, attending seminars, and learning from our hands-on professors who guided us to understand our purpose in choosing this path. When I started taking this program, I've come to understand its importance and history. I discovered the purpose and how it is started here in the Philippines. The journey ahead is still long, but I feel more confident in my path. The lessons I'm learning now are preparing me to make a difference, not just in my community, but in the lives of people who rely on microfinance to improve their quality of life.
A microfinance graduate has a wide range of career paths they can pursue. They can work in a government, non-government organizations, microfinance institutions, academia, and in a bank. They can be a loan officers, consultant, and branch manager. They can also be a professor, financial specialist, and many more, since microfinance has a lot to offer. Personally, my plans after I graduate is to find a stable job that is suitable for my program, help my parents, and if I have a time, I would like to take my masteral degree. Microfinance has a lot to offer. It's more than just a money. It's about empowering people to take control of their lives. Microfinance offers unique opportunity to work on something truly meaningful and make a difference in the world. Join microfinance and be part of something bigger, make a lasting impact on the lives of others, and contributing to a more and equitable world. Join microfinance and be part of something bigger.